This is Mark with ILO's Locksmiths. Today we're going to look at the Kwikset SmartCode lock system. We're going to demonstrate how to rekey the deadbolt. This type of lock, you need to know that it has to be what they call the signature series. That's the only line right now that has this SmartCode technology, unless you get a keyway lock but it definitely has to say SmartCode on the box. In order to do this job successfully, you need three items here. You need the current key, then you need the change tool key. It's considered like a key, the SmartCode key change, and then the new keys that you'll issue to the customer. Or if you're doing this for yourself, your new keys. So have all three items in place at the time. Now back to the lock. Here's what you do. You simply take your current key, the silver one, turn it a quarter turn, and then you take the change key, insert in that little access point. Push it in till it clicks. Then pull it out. Then pull out your old key. Don't turn anything yet until you stick the new keys in the lock. Once it's fully inserted, then you can turn it back and forth. That's it. The new keys work, and the old keys should not work. That's it. Hope you learned something today. If you need anything else, please call us at 404-365-8556. Thank you.